Stop using these expensive and complicated chemical fertilizers right now. If not properly cared for, your orchids will gradually wilt, develop yellow leaves, and may even die completely. I only use simple organic ingredients available in the kitchen, yet my orchids still bloom continuously, produce many flowers, and keep them for a long time on the branches. Welcome to the Wonder Garden channel, a place that shares extremely effective and easy to apply orchid care tips. With just a few simple steps, you can completely help your orchids stay lush, produce many flower spikes, and bloom all year round without the need for complex products. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe to the Wonder Garden channel so you don't miss any useful orchid care tips. Let's get started. To make today's fertilizer, I will use one orange like this. Do you often eat oranges? Oranges are rich in vitamin C and natural nutrients, which are very good for health. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. But after eating, we often throw away the orange peel without knowing that it is actually a very useful ingredient for plants. Today I will use this orange peel to make fertilizer for orchids. Orange peel contains natural essential oils, vitamins, and antibacterial compounds, helping to clean the environment around the roots, limit fungal diseases, and support healthier plant growth. After having the orange peel, I will dry it under the sun until it is completely dry. Drying helps remove moisture and excess essential oils, limits mold or uncontrolled fermentation, and makes the peel more brittle and easier to process in the next steps. When the orange peel is dry, the nutrients are preserved more stably, making it more effective and safer to use as fertilizer for orchids. When the orange peel is completely dry, I will take about 10 grams of dried orange peel to make fertilizer for today. Then, I will cut the peel into small pieces before using it, which helps increase the contact surface area so that nutrients can be more easily extracted and dissolved into water. As a result, the solution will be richer in nutrients, and orchids can absorb it more effectively, supporting recovery and healthy growth. Next, I will add about 500 milliliters of boiling water to soak the orange peel. Boiling water helps extract essential oils, vitamins, and antibacterial compounds from the peel quickly and effectively. At the same time, the high temperature also helps sterilize the solution, ensuring safety when used for orchids. I will cover and let the solution steep for about 3 hours. After 3 hours, when the solution has completely cooled, I will filter out the residue, keeping only the liquid extract for use. This liquid contains essential compounds, vitamins, and antibacterial substances from the orange peel, making it easier for the plant to absorb, while also preventing residue from clogging roots or sticking to leaves during use. The next ingredient I use is 1 teaspoon of molasses. Molasses provides natural sugars, minerals, and micronutrients, helping to nourish beneficial microorganisms in the growing medium, thereby improving the root environment. If you want to learn the secret to caring for Phalaenopsis orchids, make sure to watch this video carefully until the end. Your orchids will become strong, grow new roots, and bloom vibrantly all year round. To ensure safety, I will dilute the solution with about 1 liter of clean water. Dilution helps reduce the concentration of the solution, avoiding shock to the plant, especially for weak orchids or those that have just had their roots treated. When mixed at the right ratio, the solution helps the plant absorb nutrients gently but effectively, supporting recovery, root development, and improving resistance. Method 1. Pour the solution into a watering can, then water directly and gently at the base of the orchid. When applied to the base, the solution will penetrate the growing medium and root system, helping the plant absorb nutrients quickly and effectively. The components in the solution provide many benefits. Orange peel provides natural compounds that help fight bacteria, limit fungal diseases, and clean the root environment. Molasses provides energy and nourishes beneficial microorganisms, helping roots grow stronger and absorb nutrients better. When applied correctly, orchids will recover faster, develop strong roots, grow lush green leaves, and create conditions for new flower spikes. Note: you should water in moderate amounts, avoiding excessive water accumulation that can cause root rot. Method 2. Pour the solution into a spray bottle, then spray lightly and evenly around the entire orchid. When spraying, let the solution disperse into a fine mist so it can adhere evenly to leaves, stems, and aerial roots, allowing the plant to absorb nutrients gradually and more effectively. Orange peel contains natural compounds that help fight bacteria, limit fungal diseases, and clean leaf surfaces. Molasses provides energy, helping the plant increase resistance and recover faster. In addition, misting also helps increase humidity around the plant, creating favorable conditions for stable growth, greener leaves, and less dryness. Note: you should spray in the early morning or late afternoon, and avoid spraying directly on the flowers to keep them beautiful and long-lasting. Method 3. After misting for about 30 minutes, observe your orchid carefully. If you see water remaining on the leaf surface or in the leaf joints, you should use a cotton pad or soft cloth to gently absorb the excess solution, then wipe both sides of the leaves gently. This step may seem simple, but is very important. When water remains on the leaves for too long, especially in areas like leaf axils or where leaves meet the stem, the plant can easily develop fungal diseases, leaf rot, or crown rot. Therefore, drying helps keep the plant airy and safe. At the same time, wiping the leaves helps remove dirt, bacteria, and excess solution, making the leaves cleaner, greener, and improving photosynthesis. When leaves are healthy, the plant absorbs light better, grows more stably, and creates conditions for effective root and flower development. Just by paying attention to this small step, you can help your orchid stay healthier, reduce risks, and grow more sustainably over time. Result: orchids cared for in this way have grown very healthily, with leaves becoming greener, thicker, and noticeably firmer. You can easily see that the plants are full of vitality and more stable day by day. In addition, new roots have begun to appear at the base, white and plump, showing that the plant has adapted well and started absorbing nutrients effectively. Once the plant stabilizes, you will see new flower spikes gradually emerging from the leaf axils. After a period of growth, these spikes will grow and bloom into vibrant flowers, just as any orchid lover would expect. Take care of your orchids with passion and dedication, because every time you water or wipe the leaves is a moment of connection between you and nature. When you consistently give attention to your plants, they will reward you with healthy, fresh, and vibrant flowers. What do you think about this natural orchid care method? Share your thoughts in the comments below. I would love to hear about the results you have achieved. If you find the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Wonder Garden channel to support me.